Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 22, and today we are going to look at even filter selector. So throughout the series we can see we have covered so many things, and today we are going to focus on even. So before I jump into the code, and if you're new to jQuery, I want you to download the jQuery from this given link. You're going to download the uncompressed version because we are doing the development right now. Once you downloaded the file, you need to import that file into your project directory, and after that you need to reference that file into your HTML document in the header. And after that we are going to write some JavaScript function which is document.ready, which says once the document is finished loading, you need to execute some instruction, which is jQuery instructions, right? So let's have a look at the mockup. We have two h2 tags at the top, one at the bottom, and we also have two div tags, and each div tag contains 3 paragraphs. So over here, this is a regular check we do all the times. We are selecting all the h2 tag, right? So let's preview that in browser and let's see how it's working. Well, indeed, it's working fine, so jQuery is good. Now the time is to select the use even filter. So what does the even means? Even means you will only select the even elements which are starting from the index 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. And you remember that in jQuery indexing always begins at 0. So if I'm looking at these paragraphs and if I'm saying, hey jQuery, find me all the p elements, and I want to apply an even filter on that, it means what's going to happen is it's going to pick 0, it's going to pick up 2, and it's going to pick up 4. Rest all will be ignored because my basic filter is on paragraph. So let's preview that. So indeed it is working fine. So even selector 0, 2 and 4 is selected because the indexing starts from 0. Okay, so this is pretty cool, and at last I would like to show you the same thing works on h2 as well. So if you're looking at the structure, this is at the 0th position, this is at the 1, and this is at the 2nd position. So I believe you can imagine the results. So it is right here, so which is pretty cool. 0, 1 ignored and 2 selected. Okay, so now let's see where we are, and we are done with the even selector. Up next we are going to look at the not selector, which is pretty interesting. So I hope to see you there, and I hope this helps. So thank you for listening. Good night and take care.